Okay, working on a 2012 Escape. With customer complaint is there is no air volume coming out the vents. Okay, I got set up here. I'm gonna show you some tests. But first, let's verify the complaint. Let's turn this on. Okay, AC on. Got the blower speed at 4. Of course, nothing in vents on any speed. No air. Turn it off. Let's go back to the other side. I'll show you how I got it hooked up. Alright. I got the voltmeter here. So what I did first is back probe the blower motor, see if it's good, if it's getting the, what it needs to work. So right now I got it back probe on the ground side. Alright, so I got it hooked up right here in the ground. Let's turn it on. Okay, it's in 4. And I got 13.5 point something millivolts. That's the ground side, alright? So that looks good. Now give me a second, I'll change it to the other back probe, the other. This should be the feed power. Okay. And yes, it shows power, but yet the blower motor is still not working. What I did now is just disconnected the blower motor, and I connected a just a headlight bulb that carries about 4 amps. I got it written down right there, 4 amps here. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it on. This should light up and vary the brightness with the speeds. So turn it on. Should be bright. It is. That's speed number 4. This is 3, 2, 1. It goes out at 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I know that the wires at the connector can carry amps. So this just verifies it needs a blower motor.